They're getting bigger. A couple of them are over a pound, just a little over a pound. Hey, girl. There's our little white boy. That's Macy on the outside, y'all. That's Aunt Macy wanting to get in here. So pink girl on the right, purple girl next to pink, white boys in the middle, white collar boy, orange collar boys next, and then blue boys on the end. And they're just, this is pretty much every day right now, y'all. Sleeping and eating. Moving around just a little bit. It's coming though. We're going to have lots of going on soon. Alright, 9 days old today. Alright, Macy in there. Alright, y'all have a good Sunday.